All right, this is Fraser Masonry back at you live. As you can see, phase 2, I have all of my house wrap, metal lathe. So everything is prepped and ready for stonework. Metal lathe needs a few extra tacks than your regular normal sheathing because you want that to hold in real good when you're applying your scratch coat for stone. So anytime you're doing exterior stone veneer, make sure you tack in your metal lathe so it holds real good for your first application for your scratch coat. So for all your custom needs, you can reach out to Fraser Masonry.